In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import opportunities into GoHighLevel tutorial. Before we jump in, a quick heads up that your data file should be clean and ready. A simple CSV or XLSX works great. Make sure each column has a clear header, like opportunity name, pipeline, stage, value, and any contact details you want attached. Keep dates consistent, avoid merge cells, and if you have pick list values like stages, use the exact names you use inside GoHighLevel to prevent mismatches. From your GoHighLevel dashboard, open the Opportunities area. This takes you to your pipeline view and ensures you're working in the right location and pipeline. Once you're there, look for the Import option and click it. You'll land on the import flow. Go ahead and click. Next to proceed. Now it's time to add your file. Click Upload and choose the spreadsheet from your computer. Give it a moment to process. If your first row is a header row, the system will usually pick that up automatically, so you don't end up importing headers as data. When the file is recognized, click. Next to move on. Here's where the important choices happen inside the Opportunity Import settings. First, select where these records belong. Choose the correct pipeline, and, if prompted, the default stage you want new opportunities to land in. This is helpful when your file doesn't include a stage column or you want everything to start in the same place. Next, map your columns to the appropriate opportunity fields. For example, match your opportunity name column to the opportunity name field, your value column to the monetary field, and any contact columns to their corresponding contact fields. If a column doesn't have a match, you can leave it unmapped. It's better to skip than to map incorrectly. Then, choose how to handle duplicates and ownership. If your file includes existing records, decide whether to skip or update them. You can also assign an owner if you want all imported opportunities attributed to a specific user by default. Take a quick look at any additional options, like status or source, and select the values that best fit your workflow. When everything looks right, click. Next, to review a brief summary. Double-check the number of rows, the destination pipeline, and a few mappings to make sure they align with your expectations. If all looks good, click Start Bulk Import. You'll see a progress indicator as GoHighLevel processes your file. Larger files may take a bit longer. When it's done, refresh your Opportunities view to confirm the new records appear in the correct pipeline and stage. If any rows were skipped, download the error file, read the reason, fix your spreadsheet, and re-import just those rows. And that's it. You've successfully imported opportunities into GoHighLevel.